Trap money, penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a vlog, as you guys can probably already tell by the title. It's our anniversary weekend. We actually hit 6 years of being together today, so it's really special. To celebrate, we're heading to LA, and we're gonna be actually attending Drake's concert tonight, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys actually know like my love for Drake, but he's my #1, and it's even more special because my best friend is actually meeting us. I don't get to see her very often, so she's meeting us for the concert tonight, and then I actually have an event I'm going to tomorrow, but you guys will see that later on in this video. Now we're heading to our hotel right now. We wanted to make a quick stop because we are hungry. So where are we going, babe? Yeah.
Jollibee, we have a point Jollibee.
We're going to Jollibee! Oh my god! Jollibee is basically like
It's like a Filipino McDonald's.
Yes, Filipino McDonald's, and it's amazing. All of the people that I have had try it have only loved it, so yeah, we're gonna go eat and we're gonna go back on the road to LA. Alright guys, you guys ready for this?
Bam. Bam. Best thing they got here.
Y'all know my Asian ass. Oh, we paid for a double rice.
We're in like a, you know, market.
It's Halloween themed. So cute, right?
It looks like that those Mexican stores. I don't know if you guys know like 𝑥𝑦𝑡𝑗 and stores like that, but Filipino style.
This is my section right here.
For most favorite snacks in the world. They even sell fortune cookies. Bruh.
Hey guys, so we just got to... Why did you slap my elbow? So we just... What the hell? We just got to the hotel and we're in downtown LA. And it's pretty cute. It's really cute. I don't know.
Nice.
We accidentally got 2 queen beds, so we both about to be sleeping good tonight.
Accidentally.
Ew!
I got a whole bed to myself.
Ew! He did that on purpose, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys. It's really cute. And then we have a little bit of a view here with the oh, look at this lighting, babe. Like, ooh. Yeah, so we have like a little balcony, and we're in the middle of downtown LA, so that's really, really cool. But yeah, so this is our little cute little room for tonight until tomorrow. Wow, we even have a fridge.
We do.
Nice.
Ooh,
Okay, cool.
fancy.
Yeah, so
That's cool.
guess OOTD. I have a little bodysuit from OOTD Fash. Where's the light here? Alright. So I have this bodysuit on from OOTD Fash, this little cardigan that I've always had. And I have little shorts from Guess, and they have this little string right here. It's really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready, start setting up my makeup and getting ready, and then we're gonna head to the concert. So we will see you guys when we get there too. Oh yeah, by the way, I did get my hair done, you guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like it. It looks weird in this light, but it's like I have this little halo going on, and then it's just like brown with like light blonde highlights. But I really like it. We're gonna start setting up and start getting ready. So I will catch you guys in a few. Hi guys. I know, I'm Christine's twin sister. I'm just kidding. So we're on our way to the concert right now. We're like an hour late.
Like always.
Story of my life.
Always
as you guys
late.
can probably tell, we can never be early. Like, it's cursed.
Even if we want to.
Yeah, even if we have like hours to prepare, which we totally did today. We just took our time. It was a good day though. So
Yeah.
it was a good day.
worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it. You guys, it's so fun to play with wigs. I know some of you guys probably judge me, but it's so fun. Like, it's just so fun to like just, you know, have a different hairstyle without like killing your hair. And he likes it too. He likes my wig. But
Yeah. It was fun putting it on too.
he helped me put it on so bad. But we were running late and I was just gonna do it like myself, but he was nice enough to help me like situate the whole wig situation. But yeah, I will see you guys inside. We are meeting my BFF soon. She's, I think, riding an Uber, so she should be here any minute too. And yeah, we're just trying to get situated. We should have been way early.
Yeah.
We should have been way early.
You know how that goes though.
This is what the forum looks like from the outside. There it is. Drake and the 3 amigos. So cute. I'm literally only here for Drake, but you know, whatever. Whatevs. 2-in-1 deal.
Hanging with Shooter, I be putting some bands included. Still be playing with pots and pans, coming with my ratatouille. Rubber that said come be moving. When I'm on station, we moving. I saw my neck on the coolest, I'm at the suicide with the Uzi. I pull up, my hammer with all of the drugs and the good luck. I'm cooking, I'm whipping it to a rock. I give it 10 rent, I tell her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up. Which one? Bucks up, thinking they buzzing, but it's which one we going? Yeah. Hey, thought of the joke. Which way we going? Yeah. Hey, which way we going? Yeah. Hey, yo nigga trip with the AK. Which way? Yeah. It's coming on the edge when I cook. Need a nigga scoring, man, but look at my assist. Yes, I be with feature, but I like to reminisce. I don't have to get a thing, I'm patient as a gift. Try to tell them they ain't gotta do it, they insist. Trust me, I can tell. I just gave it to you for 40 million like your prayer. Standing over coffin with a hammer and a nail. Put your hand on something so that ain't no breaker. I'm sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. Tonight. Yeah. They cannot fuck with the legacy. Nah. They cannot fuck with the legacy. Nah. They cannot fuck with the legacy. Oh, left side. Do you remember? I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year.
Hi guys, it's the next day and my voice is gone. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would know why my voice is gone. Yeah, let's just say the concert was amazing.
Turns up.
It was so good, like more than I could have expected. Like, not that I expected anything less from him, but it was really good. We all had a good time. So right now I'm headed to SEPHORiA, and it's like an exclusive event held by SEPHORiA. Me and my best friend are heading there right now. We're running late as always, you know how it goes already. But yeah, it kind of hurts to talk a little bit, but it was worth it. It was a really good night. We just got some snack right now, and then we're gonna go get some food. And then, yeah, we just got a bowl of fruit to kind of like come back to life. We barely have enough sleep, that's why. But still trying to like recover from like going to sleep. Hi guys, we're at the Sephora event now. This is my best friend.
Hi guys, nice to meet you.
And we just got handed some Sephora bags, so we're gonna go explore to see what else they have, and then we're gonna bring you along with us.
Yeah, so we can go down there and find it. Yeah, okay, yeah, you'll see it like
You can get one too.
oh, thank you.
Thank you. All right, ladies. Just press the button or pull the lever. Press it. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's okay. You can grab it too.
We're trying new coffee. It's mushroom coffee. Mushroom coffee. Okay.
Interesting, yeah.
I think I'm good.
It tastes like coffee.
It does. You know what? It's not bad. You know what? I'm gonna keep drinking.
Take two.
It's not bad.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night I think I lost my patience. Last night I got high as the expectations. Last night I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it all. I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No.
And you can mix any oils, right?
It smells so good. Thank you.
Yeah, you're good.
Pretty cute. I got some glitter put on me. And then we're just waiting in line. We're making our own lipsticks, and we get to create
A lip story with the Sephora collection using our pictures.
So I'll show you guys when we get it, but we each chose.
A picture from last night.
Yes, it's so cute.
I love it.
So we're gonna unbox for you guys what we got at Sephora. Why are you gonna torture me like that? Why are you? So we got this. This is our goodie bag that we got. So we're just gonna unbox it. Oh my god. I have this.
No way.
I have this. We get a Laneige sleeping mask. But you know what? Freaking Carter, he like misplaced mine.
Really?
Yes. You.
For next time. Wait, the lip sleeping mask. Okay.
This is an unseen sunscreen. So like for under your makeup. You get the same thing?
Yeah.
And then we got a Fenty Beauty lipstick.
Is it a lipstick?
Yeah. Mine's in the shade.
Mine's shoddy. So we got 2 different shades. Well, they're pretty similar.
Yeah. Mine's darker.
Yeah. Mine's a little bit more mauvey.
Oh,
That's what we need, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. So we got a 𝑏𝑟𝑔𝐸 hair mask thing. And let's see. What is this?
A cheeky, did you get the same thing?
Cheeky
A
stamp?
cheeky stamp blendable blush.
Oh, blush.
It's a pretty big blush.
Yeah. And then we got a pair of velour lashes.
Yeah.
Super cute. I love this.
Oh, I didn't even realize there was a line.
Super cute. Dude, smell this. Hold on. This is literally the best thing ever.
I've been eyeing it forever on the Sephora website.
So good.
Because
It smells even better when you put it on.
Kathleen Lights
Mhm.
talked about
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
As soon as she
I was
talked
like,
about
I
it,
need it.
it's so good. As soon as she talked about it, I went and purchased it. I still gotta find the other one because this is big. I mean, the other one that I have is full size. But Carter was playing with it and I don't know where
This
it went.
isn't full size?
This is full size.
Oh, okay.
But I'm saying like I feel wasteful. Like I gotta find that so it could be my backup,
Yeah.
you know? Or this could be my backup. That's cute.
We also got more goodies at the event itself.
Yeah.
Free samples.
So this is just for going, and then this this we got as we were going through like the booths and well, how would you say it? Yeah, the event
Like
we
for
got
each
some-
booth that you went to, they gave you a little gift.
Yes, it was so cute. And then I just want to show them the lipstick that we got.
Honestly, oh my
My
god.
favorite.
Let me grab mine.
So we actually got to pick our own like lipstick shade, and we got to customize the little, what is this called? This packaging.
The packaging.
So since we went to the concert last night, we took a bunch of pictures, and we thought it would be cute to put. So it says SEPHORiA, and this is the picture that this is my lipstick that I picked. I love hers. Oh my god, look. Wait. It's not gonna
Pictures
focus,
from
but
last night's
yes,
concert.
and I love how it says Sephora right here. So this is like our remembering the concert and our event today.
Event, yeah.
So cute.
All in one.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Yeah, it was really fun, you guys. It was a really good time. It was a really good time. I had fun.
Yesterday and today were
Yes.
both really good days.
This weekend was definitely a dream. Yeah, it was fun.
I would redo it like 10 times over.
Right. I wish like we had a concert to go to tonight.
I know. Well, he actually has a show tonight, so I mean.
Yeah.
Go.
We got some Jolly some Halloween. And of course, yeah. And then look, my favorite burger steak. And we also have spaghetti. Oh my god.
Literally my first time trying it.
Spaghetti? You're like, I think I want that.